Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can very easily enable restricted mode in the TikTok app. Friends, please put your likes under this video, be sure to write your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, let's get into this topic, friends. And I'm going to show you from the very beginning how you can find this mode on your device, mobile, and TikTok. So, please go to the TikTok app itself. And here you'll need to go to the bottom. Go to your profile. And then, friends, on the top right, click on the three bars. Then click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. Here you'll need to go to Content Settings. And this is where you'll find the restricted mode. Click on it. And then at the bottom, click on Enable. Now you will need to maintain some sort of code. You're going to have to come up with one. It's a 4-digit code. Once again, enter it in. Now you will need to choose, for example, one of the limit types, or why you decided to enable this limit mode in the first place. You choose any of the options, and then click Continue at the bottom. And thus, friends, as you can see, the limit mode in TikTok is activated. In this very quick and simple way, you can easily enable the restriction mode on your mobile device in TikTok app. Friends, I really hope that this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.